Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to control you can see your shared album on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to choose you can see your albums on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after that, let's go to our albums. To go to our albums, let's tap on the profile picture icon of ourselves, and after that let's scroll down a little bit. When you come to this interface, and you can see the photos over here. When you scroll down, tap on photos, and after that go to albums like this, and tap on the shared album which you want to change. And now to change who can see your shared album on Facebook, you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that you can see the edit option available over here. Tap on edit, and you can see it's currently on only me, which means that nobody will be able to see my album. Now if you wanted to change that, tap on only me, and you can see all these options available over here. If you want to public to see your album, tap on public. If friends accept and see more, these options, and you can really choose to whom you want to show your album. For now I'll keep it to myself. And there guys, this is how you control you can see your album on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys.